it's me, Brizzy, and it has been over 2 years since I did the very first What's It Sound Like video, and that is the only What's It Sound Like video that I have done by myself. So I figured, hey, I love doing this video with friends, but I should probably see what it's like to do it by myself again. You know, get back to my roots. I asked you guys to send me pictures of whatever the heck you wanted on Twitter, and I'm gonna make noises for them. This time with the added catch that I am not allowed to use any words, so it's just gonna be all noises and sounds, so it's gonna be extra crazy. Great, let's go. That one is terrifying and not good for my throat. Sorry, Evan. So that's it. I know this was a really quick little video, but if you're looking for something extra, I did vlog my day at Dapper Day in Disneyland on Sunday. You can click right there or in the description or the little eye in the corner if you want to watch it. Basically, Dapper Day is a day at Disneyland and Disney World where everyone dresses up in their fine, fancy clothes, usually of a vintage era, and it's very beautiful, and I was a flapper Pegasus, and you should check it out because it was really fun times. And on my second channel there, I do more vloggy things, so if you're interested in that, check it out. Or if you, I don't know, if you like me as a person, I guess you could like follow me on Twitter or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!